red blob that's hitting us. Probably that was 10 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, so it shouldn't last too much longer.